Hello everyone, nice to meet you and welcome to my channel. In this video, we will explore a nice topic about Pebble and Gabion retaining wall for garden landscaping. If you looking this information too, then this video is perfect for you. Retaining walls serve as crucial elements in landscape design, providing structural support and preventing soil erosion. Among the diverse range of options available, Gabion and Pebbles retaining walls have gained significant popularity due to their unique blend of functionality and aesthetics. This article explores the attributes of Gabion walls and the integration of Pebbles, highlighting their benefits and discussing their applications in various outdoor settings. Gabion walls consist of wire mesh baskets filled with stones or rocks, creating a sturdy and versatile construction material. These walls offer excellent structural integrity due to the interlocking nature of the stones within the wire mesh, allowing them to withstand heavy loads and resist soil movement. The flexibility of Gabion walls allows them to adapt to ground movements, making them particularly suitable for areas prone to seismic activity. Their permeability enables effective drainage, preventing water accumulation behind the wall, which can cause instability. Additionally, Gabion walls provide noise reduction and act as a barrier against wind, making them ideal for creating private and peaceful outdoor spaces. Pebbles are natural, rounded stones that come in various sizes, colors, and textures, making them an appealing choice for enhancing the visual appeal of Gabion walls. Their smooth and polished surfaces create an eye-catching contrast against the rough texture of the wire mesh, adding a touch of elegance to the overall design. Pebbles can be chosen to complement the surrounding landscape, with options ranging from earthy tones to vibrant hues. Their versatility allows for creative arrangements, such as mosaic-like patterns or gradual color transitions. Furthermore, pebbles are low maintenance and can withstand weathering, ensuring long-lasting beauty and reducing the need for frequent replacements. Gabion and Pebbles retaining walls find numerous applications in both residential and commercial settings. In residential landscapes, they can be used to create terraces, define boundaries, or level uneven ground, adding a distinctive and natural touch to gardens, patios, and outdoor living spaces. In commercial projects, such walls serve as attractive features in parks, hotels, and office complexes, seamlessly blending with the environment while offering practicality. The benefits of Gabion and Pebbles retaining walls extend beyond aesthetics. They are cost-effective compared to traditional concrete or stone walls, requiring less labor and materials for installation. The permeability of Gabion walls allows for natural drainage, reducing hydrostatic pressure and minimizing the risk of wall failure. Additionally, the wire mesh structure allows vegetation to grow through the walls, enabling a harmonious integration of greenery into the design. Gabion and Pebbles retaining walls combine functionality with visually appealing characteristics, providing an excellent solution for retaining soil and enhancing outdoor spaces. Their structural excellence, aesthetic versatility, and wide range of applications make them an increasingly popular choice in contemporary landscape design.